Before we start this video, boys, I announced a giveaway somewhere in this video, but you might skip through it or something at one point. So I'm telling you now, watch through so you can find the giveaway. You know what I mean? And it's a pretty good one, trust me. All right, let's get on to the video. And I puke multiple times in this video too, so that should be worth watching. Like really puke. All right, on to the video. My God, boys, I apologize. It's good to be back. It's been way too long. I just got back from a trip that I really wanted to film on. However, my dumbass didn't bring the freaking camera battery or whatever. Right before I left to the airport to go on my trip, I realized my baggage was 10 pounds overweight, and I wasn't trying to pay that extra money at the airport when I could just take stuff out of it. So I started throwing stuff out of my luggage to make it 50 pounds the right weight, and I guess I threw out my battery pack, so that sucks. So apologies for that, and to say apologies also to, I have food poisoning right now. I'm trying to get over that stuff, so we gotta make this quick. But we're doing a giveaway, boys. You know I have a lot of jewelry in the house that we've done reviews on. I'm gonna put together a nice mystery pack of jewelry for one of you guys. Comment and thumbs up down below. That's all you need to do. My Instagram's right here. Let me know when you did it too, or I'm just gonna pick one of you guys and message you. So do that. I'm back with my Tim Hortons coffee. Dominican coffee is nice, but there's nothing like Tim Hortons. My stomach feels like crap. My girlfriend's inside. The reason we can't film is because she's puking her brains out every 10-15 minutes. So we gotta do it here. Boys, back in action. We're back in the action. Sorry again. The cards didn't line up, man. Although I don't even think I could have filmed there to begin with, because I had food poisoning twice, I'm pretty sure. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Alright, man, so I think we're coming back with some sort of a bang because we just found jewelry at 7-Eleven. Who would have thought 7-Eleven? Well, I guess they sell everything above, they sell everything in the sun. What's the wording? I mean, if they could sell hookers there, they'd probably sell that, but they can't. Apparently, they're selling jewelry, so we're gonna get into that. I got a White Claw 2 here, boys. I'm not driving. This is in my driveway right now, but hopefully that just helps my stomach a little bit. Sometimes getting a little tipsy, it might help. I don't know. Smoked a little marijuana too, so I don't promote it, but we're trying to get better here, boys, in the most Canadian way possible. So, boys, this is actually a huge shout out to one of my followers who hit me up a little while ago saying he was traveling Asia. God, I wish I could find the place or remember the place. He was traveling Asia. He found jewelry in a 7-Eleven that he was shopping at. He sent it over to me. He hit me up when he was there being like, yo, they have this here. Do you want me to pick it up for you? I'll ship it to you. So we did. The nice guy that he is. I gotta crack this thing. No promoting. Oh, this is not gonna help my stomach, is it? It's gonna help my mental. Quick puke. It's snow out here. I don't know how I'm gonna clean that up. I'm telling you guys, I got food poisoning. It's not good right now, but I gotta film. Anyway, he hit me up with the package. We're unboxing 7-Eleven jewelry. Now, he said he had diamonds on it. Not gonna be real clearly. I think he paid somewhat of equivalent of like 12 bucks, I think American for it, if I remember that. We're gonna diamond test, do our thing. I'm gonna put my White Claw away. I don't think that might be a good thing. And let's check out this jewelry from 7-Eleven, boys. I'm feeling too hot. But like, I am, because I'm talking to you guys. I've been wanting to since the trip, and it sucked being cut off when I wanted to chill. All right, let's go. Alright, boys, we got the package here. The first thing I will say is it is heavy, and holy shoot, the first thing I saw is a 7-Eleven logo. It's heavy. It's heavy. I was thinking when I got this package, it just came to my door when I got back, is like I was expecting really light. Okay, so we got the first one. It just feels like we have 2 packs here, boys. 7-Eleven jewelry, who would have thunk it, huh? I always hate when people say thunk. I don't know why. Oh shit! Let's go! We won't peek at the next. Boys, it's the lighting in the car right now. This is making it sparkle. The first thing. Oh, so that's what he meant by real. 7-Eleven CT, 12 CT. I think it's supposed to be carat, like KT, 12 carat, which that's gotta be false for $12. And from what I'm looking at, the first piece we have right here, boys, 7-Eleven jewelry. And I forgot to mention, I think it was in the middle of mentioning it before I puked, we have the diamond tester right here. So we're gonna hit it. Boys, the 7-Eleven jewelry review. Now, I actually have to open this up real careful. It's just stapled. Because I forgot I gotta do a thumbnail of this thing. Ow! Ow! You ever got a staple under your fingernail, man? It's the worst thing. Okay, here we go. Our jewelry. So, right off the bat, you can tell it's fake. But it's not too bad. Actually, we've unboxed like a lot of things. Like, it's the same old crap you'd find off, you know, AliExpress and stuff. I guess just like in China, jewelry. I can't remember. Something tells me it was somewhere in China that he found it. I've been to 7-Eleven. I know I have not seen this in North America, that's for sure. But the quality is not that. It's actually heavier than I thought, bro. That's what it is. Just a straight up chain. We're gonna see how it looks in the frickin' face. How it looks on the neck. You just can't pass up an offer like this, bro. Oh, great. My neighbor's coming out. The one that always looks at me weird when I'm filming. That's okay. Hopefully I don't see the puke on the driveway, but yeah, so there that is. We're gonna diamond test these in a bit. Bro, I guess for the dollar, like I said, I think it was like $12-ish American. Not too bad, not too shabby. 7-Eleven wise, I'm surprised they're selling this, but at the same time, not really. We have one more. I'm stoked for this one. I'm hoping it's a ring or something. I'm feeling now it might be a bracelet. Oh, they're really... The whole family's coming out. I gotta be quiet for a sec. I'm that weirdo that's like always caught filming in the car. It's weird to get looks like that, you know what I mean? But f it, what do I care? Their daughter just waved at me. Classic, 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 classic. I feel weird now, but not really. I should feel weirder. Gonna get to the other one. I just took a sneak peek. I'm sorry. After this ad, namebrandfam.com. Link is down below. It's our website, boys. With views being low, it helps us do things for videos. We got jewelry. That's free on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. We also got a mystery box, only $24.99. Find some good value in that, man. Just go buy it, and if you get it, just tell me you like it or don't. You know what I mean? namebrandfam.com. Link is down below. I appreciate you guys so much for that. On to the next piece, boys. Oh, God. It's the longest I've gone without puking yet, so I think we can do it. Alright, next piece. I think I can fight this one. Next piece. Next piece we got. Alright, boys. I think I fought it. We got another one right here. 12 karat again. Drink your coffee, bro. What an awful review, eh? We're coming back with a freaking shot. Looks like the same thing, boys. But if I'm not correct, or if I am correct, it looks like in rose gold. We'll check it out. It looks like the exact same piece. We won't waste too much time on this one, because we gotta diamond test it. Thing about the diamond testers that we buy, boys, is they aren't good. I've had a lot of fake jewelry I know is fake that is kind of past this. So if this happens to pass, and you live in the place where you can buy this, you know what I mean? Then you know that it might hopefully pass, and then you can fake flex for free. Carry a diamond tester around with you in case people call you out. Boys, the next thing, same sort of thing. Chain, yep, just in rose gold. And you know, you see it. You see it? I'm really feeling like I gotta puke, so we're gonna follow this up with a diamond test review. Glad to be back once again. Hectic as always, except a little bit more hectic. And I'd show you the puke on the ground because I think that's kind of funny. However, this is not 2016 YouTube, and we're not allowed. Where the fuck did I put the diamond tester, man? Oh, it's right here. It was on my balls. Alright, diamond tester engaged, boys. Oh, God, I thought I just broken this, and then I kind of fixed it, but then this, oh, this just doesn't, oh, now it's working. Okay, so I just have to hold this down. I broke the back of it because I threw it at one point because something didn't pass. Boys, diamond tester engaged on this piece right here. That means metal. Fuck. Yeah, she's a no-go, obviously. But you never know. This might be the grossest video we've ever put out. Puked in my mouth a few times and swallowed. Next one, boys. Nothing. Thank you for joining this video. Thank you for sending this jewelry, brother. I'm gonna find your Instagram and link it down below. Appreciate you guys. There's 7-Eleven jewelry for you. Glad to be back. Videos all this week, hopefully, if I get better. Peace.